Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to connect GoCanvas to SignNow. All right. To integrate these two for automating document signing, you can use a tool like Zapier, all right, or LateNode, or it could be make.com or similar websites or apps, okay, to create a workflow. Now, these platforms allow you to connect GoCanvas to SignNow, triggering actions in SignNow like sending a document for signature based on events in GoCanvas like a new form submission. Okay, so to do that here in Zapier, just go ahead over to Zapier.com. Now, once you're in here on your dashboard, go to the top left and click on Create. All right, click Zaps. Wait for it to load. Now, once it loads, go ahead and select the trigger. The trigger is GoCanvas, just for example. All right. Wait for it to load. Now, go ahead and select the trigger event. New submission. Log in with your GoCanvas account. Once that's done, just hit on Continue. Select the app name or the project name or form name. All right. Maybe all forms. Continue. Now test the trigger. All right. All got a check mark. It's done. Just close it. Go ahead over to action. Now select Sign Now. There you go. Action event. You can go ahead and select what you like in here. For example, cancel invite to sign and delete document. Create document from template and send free form invite or invite to sign. Even upload document. Okay, I'm just going to select this one. Invite to sign. Next, document. There you go. Select your available document here from SignNow. All right. There you go. I have one. From email address, my email, to maybe I'm just going to set it to my other Gmail account. Subject, you can go ahead and add a subject. For example, sample integration message. This is from Zapier. All right, hit on continue. Now test the step. We now got a check mark. Let's check the email. All right, as you can see here, it just logged in and it works. Okay, so you can see you can view the document and then sign it from here. Now, everything is set up. You can now go ahead and close it and hit on publish. Okay, when you hit on publish, it activates the workflow, allowing the defined action to run automatically whenever the trigger right here, whenever a new submission event occurs. All right, each time the trigger event happens, Zapier will execute the associated actions in the connected apps. That's basically it. Well, I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.